Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Todoist to plan your week. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to use Todoist for weekly planning, dedicate a consistent time each week for a weekly review. During this session, you will clear your mind, review your projects, and schedule tasks for upcoming days. So first of all, you need to go in your Todoist account. So here you can start for free or simply get it signed up. So once you have already downloaded your Todoist in your Android or iOS device, so once you have logged in into your account, you will end up in this kind of interface. So once you have done this as well, you will be redirected to this page and you need to simply select all the terms. So now you need to first of all schedule your weekly review. You need to simply crucially build your planning habits. Schedule a recurring task in the to-do list for your weekly review on a day that works for you. Then you need to conduct a weekly review as well. After everything, you need to plan for your upcoming week. You can simply plan what you need to do, how it is gonna be done and stuff. Then you need to follow up daily about what are your plans. So after doing this, you will be able to simply use Todoist to plan your week. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.